Hi guys and gals, and I'm gonna start over. Thank you so much for the support of our YouTube channel, and I just want to address some things today. That's what we're here to do. There's some questions popping up, some reoccurring questions, and so we're like, let's take a minute to answer those, okay? So, let's get to it. Question 1. Why is my vape leaking? When these little puppies are exposed to heat, like being left in a car or being put in an oven or like lighting them on fire, that thins the oil. Try removing the pod, don't. Clean any residue, and then reinsert it firmly. Firm, like a firm mattress. And then if it still leaks, it might be a defective pod, and in that case, reach out to support for a possible replacement or help. Or just a friendly hug, well, virtually, if you want it. Question 2. Are disposables rechargeable? Answer. Yeah. It's simple. Just use a classic USB-C charger, like most products that are electronic.
Come on, Tars!
Okay, so just plug them in when their battery runs low, typically like, by a blinking, like, or when there's a drop in vapor production. Like, instead of going, it goes like. But remember this, make sure not to overcharge. Always use a standard USB-C charger. Question 3. It's not really a question. It's, my pod kit isn't working. I just got it. No, let me try that again. Take 2. My pod kit isn't working. I just got it. My pod kit isn't working. I just got it. And many other versions of that. Well, here's the thing, honey. Sometimes you just have to remove the sticker. Classic mistake. And then go here and click this 5 times fast. 1, 2, 3. And it works. How do I tell when my product is fully charged? Let me tell you. You will know it's fully charged when the light will either turn off, like this, or it'll either change color, like this. Wow. Charging typically takes 40 to 60 minutes. So just watch an episode of a TV show you like, or read a book. I love reading, especially in the sun. Oh, summer! Okay. These are insane. If your vape tastes burned, it's likely because the coil got overheated, which can happen if you are ripping it, like this. It burns it. You have to do little sips. Sip, not rip. Sip, not rip. Sip, not rip. It's like a fine wine, Ooh, ooh. If you want to rip, use your balm. And the reason is because if you take long, hard rips, I didn't write this. It burns the oil instead of vaporizing it. Change my color again. A few seconds to rest in between your sips. Sip, rest. Sip, rest. It's a beautiful thing. Beautiful. Look at it. Delicate, but also strong. Thanks for watching. Keep throwing your questions our way, and also maybe a couple things of like some things you like, or if you want to know something about me. Just kidding, it's not about me, but it could be.